Hello there, fourth graders. It's Miss Hess with my final video broadcast for the year. I can't believe it's been such a strange year, and I hope you're all doing well out there. And I wish you a great summer. If you're moving, I'm so sorry that I didn't get a chance to say goodbye to you in person, and I wish you a great life and do wonderful things with your life. Okay? So, one announcement before I read you just a little bit of goodbye summer poetry. So, Mac and Via will be available to you guys all summer long. That means you can continue to use your Mac and Via account and access all those databases, all the ebooks, the Scholastic sites, the Bookflix and TrueFlix. That will continue all summer long. And reading is a skill that will serve you not only in school but for the rest of your life. So if you guys could read an hour a day during the summer, man, you would be so set up. So I hope that you will continue to use your resources and read this summer. Okay? All right, here comes my summer poetry. The first one is called Vacation Resolution, and it's by Lenore Hetrick. I'm not getting up tomorrow, though I hear my mother call, waffles and honey for breakfast. I'll turn my face to the wall. I'm not getting up, though my friends come yelling, we're off to the river. I'll just close my eyes and sleep without a regretful shiver. The first day of vacation, oh grand and glorious feeling, the solid bed beneath me, above the old dear ceiling. And I won't get up, I tell you, to dine with a golden cup, not even if the president calls, still I won't get up. Okay? The second poem is also by Lenore Hetrick. I like these poems by her. It's called The Outdoor Month. July is the regular outdoor month. He's the king of the calendar, don't you think? Bright blue sky, fresh strong winds, and a golden sun that makes you blink. A lake where the water steals from the sky, its bluest color, its white cloud ships, and thick green trees beneath whose shade time doesn't pass but just gently slips. A swim in the morning with the sun coming up, a hike in the scented woods at noon, canoeing in the late hours, and another swim beneath the moon. Just living outdoors is so much fun. Living beneath the open sky, clouds in the daytime and stars at night, with the whole wide universe drifting by. Love summer. Okay, and my final poem for your summer goodbye. It is called The Great Summer Blue, and this is by Meg Wiseman. This is my favorite one out of these three. I've been waiting for this moment, and now I'm beneath it, looking up to it, spellbound. Above is the great blue, the first great summer blue. It pulls me, surrounds me, fills me with warmth. The clouds have disappeared, all is clear above, and beyond the great blue grows. The warm rays of summer spread out in the blue, stretch and welcome us, and we are beneath it, knowing what pleasure that it's going to be sunny all day. All right, fourth graders, happy summer. Read, read, read all summer. Take care. See you soon.